Hello students, hope you all are safe in indoors. Now I am going to teach you English literature of class 2, chapter 4, The Delicious Ones, written by Enid Blyton. But before going the explanation, I want to ask you a question, that is, have you taken anything from someone without their permission? That is, never take anything from someone before asking their permission. So, my dear students, hope you all should apply it in your daily life. That is, never take anything from someone before asking their permission. Now, let's start the story. Once upon a time, Mother Bustle made delicious buns, and every Saturday she baked them and keep them on the windowsill. For some days, her buns are stolen by someone, but she did not understand that who will stealing her buns. So Mother Bustle find out an idea, and she want to catch the thief. Then the next day she baked her buns and spread some strong glue on it. After doing this, she keep the buns on the windowsill as usual. But she saw after some time some buns are gone. But she did not understand, did not worry. After that, in the afternoon, Mother Bustle's brother Plot come to meet her. And in that time, on the way, he met Gumble Goblin, who was the neighbor of Mother Bustle. But when Mother Bustle's brother Plot met Gumble Goblin, that time they shake their hands to each other, and that time they found that they could not pull away their hands, and they are shouted and tried to leave their hands but could not do that. It will be tightly stuck. So they are decided to ask from Mother Bustle, and they are going to Mother Bustle's house, and Mother Bustle was surprised to saw the incident that two coming hands. And after the explanation of the incident by giving Plot, Mother Bustle cried and asked Gumble that did he stole her buns? Then Gumble accepted his offense, and after that Mother Bustle poured some magical water over their hands, and an amazing incident happened, that the stickiness went at once. And the incident Gumble, and from the incident Gumble learned that a lesson: if he taking anything from someone without permission, again his hands are sticky. And that advice given by Mother Bustle. And next time Mother Bustle keep buns on the windowsill to cool, but Gumble did not dare to go near the buns. So students, hope you all are understand the story, and you see it is an amazing story. If you will learn it nicely, that time you understood how nice it is. So after reading the story, you must read the word meanings, that is words to know. So my dear children, after reading the words meanings, I hope you all are understood the story nicely. So students, after giving the summary of this story, I will give you the exercise in PDF format. So bye bye students, keep learning, stay home, stay safe.